In today's video, we're breaking down one of the key components of your vehicle's cooling system, the thermostat. We'll cover its 5 major functions and 5 telltale signs that your thermostat might be going bad. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video. Let's dive right in. The thermostat in a car engine plays a crucial role in regulating the engine's operating temperature. It controls the flow of coolant between the engine and the radiator to ensure that the engine runs efficiently and avoids overheating. Here are the 5 key functions of a thermostat in a car engine. Number 1. Temperature regulation. The primary function of a thermostat is to regulate the engine's temperature. It does this by controlling the flow of coolant between the engine and the radiator. When the engine is cold, the thermostat remains closed to prevent coolant from circulating to the radiator, allowing the engine to warm up quickly. Once the engine reaches the optimal operating temperature, typically around 195 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, the thermostat opens, allowing coolant to flow and maintain a stable temperature. Number 2. Engine warm-up. The thermostat ensures that the engine warms up quickly after starting. In colder conditions, if coolant were allowed to flow to the radiator immediately, it would take much longer for the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature. A faster warm-up improves fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and allows for better engine performance sooner. Number 3. Prevention of overheating. If the engine's temperature begins to exceed its safe operating range, the thermostat opens fully to allow maximum coolant flow to the radiator. This helps dissipate excess heat and prevent the engine from overheating, which can cause serious damage such as warped cylinder heads or engine failure. Number 4. Optimizing engine efficiency. By maintaining the engine at its optimal operating temperature, the thermostat helps to maximize fuel efficiency and minimize emissions. When an engine runs too cold, combustion is less efficient, leading to increased fuel consumption and higher emissions. By keeping the engine at the right temperature, the thermostat ensures that the engine operates at its most efficient point. Number 5. Preventing engine damage. Running an engine that is either too hot or too cold can lead to damage over time. If the engine is too cold, it will not burn fuel properly, leading to increased carbon buildup, poor lubrication, and excessive wear on internal components. On the other hand, overheating can cause damage to gaskets, seals, and metal components, leading to expensive repairs. The thermostat prevents these issues by ensuring the engine stays within the optimal temperature range, thus protecting the engine from potential damage. The thermostat is a critical component that ensures your car's engine runs efficiently, warms up quickly, avoids overheating, and stays protected from temperature-related damage. Now, let's talk about the signs of a failing thermostat. A failing thermostat in a car engine can lead to various performance and safety issues. When the thermostat malfunctions, it disrupts the cooling system's ability to regulate the engine's temperature, which can cause significant problems. Here are 5 key symptoms of a bad thermostat in a car engine. Number 1. Overheating engine. One of the most obvious signs of a bad thermostat is engine overheating. This happens when the thermostat gets stuck in the closed position, preventing coolant from circulating through the radiator to dissipate heat. If the thermostat doesn't open at the right temperature, the coolant remains trapped in the engine, causing heat to build up rapidly. Overheating can lead to severe damage to the engine's components, including warped cylinder heads, blown head gaskets, and, in extreme cases, complete engine failure. Number 2. Underheating, engine running too cold. An engine running too cold, indicated by a low temperature gauge reading, is another sign of a malfunctioning thermostat. If the thermostat is stuck open, coolant flows continuously between the engine and radiator, causing the engine to run colder than it should. This results in prolonged warm-up times, reduced fuel efficiency, poor heater performance, and increased wear on engine components due to improper lubrication and combustion. Number 3. Erratic temperature fluctuations. Unstable or fluctuating engine temperatures are a sign that the thermostat may be failing intermittently. When the thermostat is not functioning properly, it can open and close at irregular intervals, causing sudden and unpredictable temperature changes in the engine. The temperature gauge on the dashboard might show rapid spikes or drops, indicating inconsistent coolant flow, which can lead to engine performance issues or potential damage if not addressed. Number 4. Coolant leaks. Coolant leaks around the thermostat housing or other parts of the cooling system can be a symptom of a thermostat issue. A faulty thermostat can cause the engine to overheat or create excessive pressure in the cooling system, leading to coolant leaks at weak points, such as the gasket around the thermostat housing. In some cases, a failing thermostat can cause the coolant to back up into the overflow reservoir or spill onto the ground, which is a clear indication of a problem with the cooling system. Number 5. Poor heating in cabin. If you notice that your vehicle's heater is blowing cool or lukewarm air despite the engine being at normal operating temperature, it could point to a thermostat problem. When the thermostat is stuck open, the engine may not reach its optimal temperature. Since the heater relies on hot coolant from the engine to generate heat inside the cabin, a cold running engine results in insufficient warmth being transferred to the heater core, making the cabin heater ineffective. If this video was helpful, please hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.